Well, hey everybody, it's Tom here. Welcome back to my shop. So, got a rush job coming from the local sawmill. So we got to get her done. I'm gonna try to video this. So let me grab the camera and show you what we got so we can get started. So what you're looking at is a shaft on one of their bandsaws. And as you can see, this is where a bearing rides. And well, I guess the bearing in the shaft didn't get along, and of course, they mucked the shaft up getting the bearing off of it. So that's what we got to repair. Thinking the plan of attack is go in here, we'll clean this out a little bit, and then we'll weld it up, and then we'll come back and turn it down to the OD that we need. So fairly simple job, just one of those rush jobs. So let's get her done. This is the new bearing. Guess it's man, pretty monstrous. The bore is or should I say the ID there, 3.4. Trying to remember off my head because I just measured it. 3.7. So almost 3.5 inches. Big old Timken. And it looks like, I don't know, what's that, maybe 3 inches deep there. So see if we can get a center in. That hole's kind of munched. Did it break it? It's close. So just getting my two extreme points and also finding the high spots. This is the boring part. Once we get that established, now we can start taking it off, obviously. Finished machining the shaft. Wasn't obviously worried about the surface finish, and these voids that they created, torching and banging that bearing off. I'm not going to go that deep. Obviously, there's no reason to. We'll just fill that with a weld, and we'll be good to go. So let's get over to the welding table, get this thing warmed up, and then lay down some beads. It's all welded up, and of course it's hotter than a $2 pistol right now, so I'm gonna go up to the house and get some dinner, let that thing cool down. I also used good old, I don't know if you can see those or not, probably not in the light. Let me get over here. Keith Fenner's rollers. I don't know if he still sells those things or not. Let me see this, you know, so I could just roll the shaft. And then if you guys are curious about this, it's called the mag switch. So it's magnetic. Turn it on and it grips. I just added this copper piece here so I could put my ground on her, you know, hook her up. Well, I'll bring you guys back and I guess get this thing chucked up in the lathe and we'll start turning her down. Shaft is finally cooled off. It took about 2.5 hours. Got it set up over here in the Monarch just because I haven't done that much work on the jet lathe, so not trusting it yet. So figure we get it knocked out here on the Monarch. Just hitting down the high spots now. Get you in a bit closer might help. What do you think? Let's see if we can do that. Of course, it's not that exciting right now. And it is 9:45 at night. Gotta love these emergency jobs. If I can get it turned down and done, so you pick it up early in the morning. Well, it's starting to clean up. Still got a ways to go, but I'll keep pecking away and then I'll bring you guys back when we're actually cutting all the way across. Hopefully we don't have a couple of low spots and we'll have to come back and weld them and then rinse and repeat. We'll see. Getting really close. Not sure if she's going to clean up or not. Well, this sucks. We are about 2 thou off our numbers. And as you can see, I got a ton of voids. So, and she's not bad through here. Got her the right height of weld, but see, that's the only disadvantage of doing it freehand on such a large shaft. So, I'm gonna have to weld her up and then machine her back some more. Fun. Well, I just finished welding up all those voids. I mean, if this was my shaft, you know, with that bearing going over it, it probably wouldn't have mattered, but I don't want to send it out the door to a customer looking like that. So I've got it outside because it's like 40 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's hopefully cooling down. Give it about half an hour and then I'll get it chucked back up and we'll get back at it. But got me some pretty chips, so hopefully you guys can see that. Nice and purple and a little bit of golden. Looks like the CNMG tip is still holding up, which is good. Gotta love the CNMGs. They're nice and robust. Don't give the best surface finish, but that's okay. You can always switch to a different insert on those finishing passes. So let me get back at it and I'll get a little more footage for you guys. Not sure how this video is going to end up. It's probably going to be a little bit choppy just because I'm in a rush and trying to get this done, but Appreciate you watching anyways. Well, it's pretty hot right now. I'm letting it cool down. I think we need about 3.5 more thou, 7 thou total, and we'll be at our desired dimension. Hopefully it'll clean up, and then just maybe a little bit of paper, make it pretty. We'll see. Finally, after filing and papering and filing, and he slides on a little bit and take it out and rework it and file it and paper it and mark it, this big bearing finally goes all the way to where we need it to go. Man, I don't know why, but I earned my money on this one. Jeez. Well, alrighty, one job done. It is really late, so I hope the customer appreciates this. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm trying to knock it out. I'm not sure how the video is going to turn out until I edit it. Hopefully it'll be decent. And if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. I'd appreciate it. Leave comments down below. Welcome all my new subscribers to my channel, and we'll catch you on the next video. All right, guys? See you. Bye.